Hi, my name's Jonathan Hayes and I'm from Tailored Construction Group. We've been building extensions, new homes and renovations all over the Sydney Basin area for the last 16 years. And this is my man cave. Some of the features of my man cave are an area for my gym equipment, an area for me to stack my firewood, which ends up being a pretty cool feature. And over here we've got the home entertainment area. Originally, my man cave was for a place to park my car. Now, it's turned into a multi-purpose area. And now that the kids have invaded, we've even built a skate ramp. In my experience, to build a man cave like this would take about 16 weeks to build. The cost would be around $150,000 to $200,000. Some people are surprised at the cost being that high, although when you undertake the works properly, it can add value to your home. If you're looking to build your own man cave, there's a few key steps you need to take. First, you need to get your plans approved by your local council. You need to engage a licensed builder to undertake the works. And there's a whole range of other subcontractors that you need to engage to get the works done. Carpenters, electricians, plumbers, gyprockers, steel fitters and concreters. It's important that all of these subcontractors are licensed and insured. To learn how to build your very own man cave, go to hipages.com.au.